The government is set to lay out plans later today to increase the amount of time people with symptoms of coronavirus spend in self-isolation from 7 days to 10 days, whilst fears grow of a second wave of coronavirus hitting the UK and Europe.
Well, I am worried about a second wave. I think you can see a second wave starting to roll across Europe, and we've got to do everything we can to prevent it from reaching these shores and to tackle it. The measures that the Chief Medical Officer will set out later are part of that.
Boris Johnson has warned against a second wave of coronavirus hitting Britain in the next few weeks and urged the public to follow the government's guidelines to slow the spread of the virus.
Vital that we all continue to observe the rules on social distancing, washing our hands, wearing masks in shops and on public transport and so on.
The number of cases has creeped up in the UK in July, with research from Cambridge University showing 4 out of 7 English regions have seen an increase in virus cases. Many parts of the country are also seeing an increase in the R rate, or the rate of infection, to almost 1, meaning the virus is spreading in those areas. The South West's R rate is now 1.04, whilst the South East is 1.02. However, London, the North East, Yorkshire and the East of England all sit around 0.9. The Midlands has the lowest rate of infection in England, sitting at 0.78. Fears are growing that a second wave of COVID-19 is hitting Europe, as cases continue to rise across the continent. The UK has removed Spain from its list of so-called safe countries to visit and now requires those returning from the country to self-isolate for 14 days. It is expected that Belgium and Luxembourg will also be removed from the list on Friday as the government reviews its travel policy. Cases in Spain have increased dramatically in recent weeks, with the latest figures from the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control showing there is now 49.2 cases of coronavirus per 100,000 people. Meanwhile, the UK has just 14 cases per 100,000 people. Luxembourg has over 214 cases per 100,000, and Belgium stands at 29 cases per 100,000 people. Serbia has also been removed from the UK's airbridge scheme, as virus cases increased in the Balkan nation. France and Germany's R rate have also risen above 1 in the last week, with COVID cases increasing in both countries.